So you've stuck it out every day this week, and today we are going to be putting it all together so that we can have a nice, well-rounded practice. We're opening everything up from head to toe, and we are going to start in a cross-legged position. And you can bring your feet closer towards your groin, bringing the right shin in front first. Bringing your hands to rest lightly onto your knees. We'll just take some half circles with the chin. So dropping the chin to the left shoulder, down and around, looking over the right shoulder. Really exaggerating these movements. Gently opening the eyes, bringing the head back upright, taking some spinal rolls. So dropping your chest down and over the front of your shin and back around. And really just trying to allow the head to be heavy here. We'll do 3 in one direction. And switching directions. Really trying to wake up the spine, the hips. And gently from here, coming all the way back upright. We're going to take the arms out to the side, palms face the back. Right palm will face up, and then switch. So left palm face up, right palm faces back. You hear some cracks. I'm really trying to reach through the fingertips. So feeling that stretch right out through the fingers. From here, with the right palm facing up and the left palm facing to the back, you're going to bring the right arm up and just below the nape of the neck. Left palm is onto the lower back, and switch. So we're not staying, we're just warming up the shoulders and reaching. Next one, we'll hold it so the right palm comes to the base of the neck, and you're going to take the left hand and grab a hold of your right elbow. Pull the hand or the elbow into the midline. Inhale here, and exhale, round chin to chest. Inhale, come up. Gently push the skull back into the forearm, and exhale, round. Last one, inhale, and exhale, round. Inhale, rise. We're going to remove the right hand from behind the neck and take your left hand just to the top of the right ear and gently drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Right fingertips are sprinkling beside you. Taking the hand onto the back of the skull gently and looking into your imaginary left pant pocket. Gently release the left hand from behind the head and bring the head back upright. We'll do this on the other side. So this time you are taking your left hand to the nape of the neck, grabbing a hold of the left elbow with the right hand, and then pulling everything into the midline. Inhale here, gentle push of the skull into the forearm, and exhale, round chin to chest. 2 more. Last one, inhale, and exhale, round. Inhale to come back upright. Release the grip on the left elbow, keeping the right hand just above the left ear, dropping the right ear to the right shoulder. Taking the right hand behind the head and then gently looking into your right pant pocket. Remembering to keep a nice tall spine. Gently release the hand from behind the head, bring the head back upright, and from here we will take our feet into a butterfly position. So taking your hands onto your ankles, inhale here, and exhale gently, come forward, reaching your fingertips over your toes. Let the head go. Staying nice and low, walking all 10 fingertips over towards the left, really reaching with your right fingertips. And over towards the right. Gently coming back to center, walking yourself all the way back up. We're going to take the right hand to the outside of the left foot. And as you kick your left foot forward, don't think about straightening the leg. Think about keeping a slight bend in the left knee. So we're going to windmill the left arm open towards the back and then kick that left foot forward, keeping a bend in the knee. Bring it down. Left hand comes to the outside of the right foot. Windmill the right arm back and kick. Do this a few times. Do one more time each side. On this one, we'll hold it here. So flexing the foot, kicking out through the heel, keeping a bend in the knee, nice tall spine, reaching out through those fingertips. For 3, bring the gaze back forward, and gently, keeping a hold of that right foot, bring your right leg down. Sprinkling your right fingertips to the outside of that right leg. Readjust the left foot. Taking the stretch into the lower left lumbar. Gently rise, windmill your left hand behind you, and bringing your right hand onto your left knee. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to gently twist, looking over your left shoulder. Ground down through your left fingertips, push into your right heel, windmill your right arm up and back, mini wild thing. Maybe make some arm circles. And gently bring your seat to the floor. We'll find deer here, so bringing your left shin parallel to the top of the mat. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to fold over your left shin. Next inhale, gently rise. And bringing our feet back to that diamond position so we can repeat this on the other side. So we're going to take the right hand onto the outside of the left foot, windmill the left arm back, and then gently kick that right leg forward. So you're trying not to lean back. It's almost like you're on a seesaw. You're using your right foot to help keep you forward, but your left arm to keep you upright. And gently bring the gaze back forward as you gently lower your left leg. Sprinkling your left fingertips to the outside of your left leg, taking the stretch into the lower right side, the lower back. Next inhale, gently rise. Windmill your right hand directly behind you as you take your left hand onto your right knee. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to gently twist and look over your right shoulder. Grounding down through your right fingertips, push into your left heel, sweep up and back, push your hips forward, and maybe allow the arm to circle. And then gently bringing your seat to the floor. Finding deer, right shin comes parallel, left shin is parallel to the side of the mat. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to fold over your right shin. Gently rise, come all the way up. Let's find our seated position once again. Maybe bring the left shin in front this time. Finding a nice tall spine, let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears, nice and tight. And exhale down the back. One more time. Inhale up towards the ears, nice and tight. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale, release them down the back. Taking a few moments here. Set your intention for the day. And just noticing how it feels seated in your body. Be a little bit more open, more spacious. And gently opening the eyes from here. I hope you enjoyed the final practice in our mini morning seated series. Look out for more. This is something new that I'm trying on my channel. And so if you did enjoy it, you have feedback for me, let me know in the comment section. I always enjoy reading them. And I will see you back here soon for the second series in this mini series that I'm trying out. See you soon.